we have pentagon ABCDE. The left side, AB, is 4 units. The bottom side, BC, is 5 units. Side CD is 2 units. Side DE is 5 units. And the top side, AE, is 2 units. We're also told that angles A and B are both perfect right angles. Our goal is to find the total area of the pentagon. Let's begin with one simple construction. Drop a vertical line from point E straight down to side BC. Let the foot of that perpendicular be point M. Since the line is vertical, ABME forms a rectangle. That makes life much easier. The top side, AE, is 2. So the bottom side, BM, is also 2. And the left side, AB, is 4. So the height, EM, is also 4. Now, look at the remaining part of the bottom side. The entire length, BC, is 5. We've already used 2 units for BM. So the remaining segment, MC, is 5 minus 2, which is 3. Now connect E to C. We've just created right triangle EMC. Its legs are 3 and 4. That means it's the famous 3-4-5 right triangle. So the hypotenuse, EC, is exactly 5. Now move to the triangle on the right, triangle ECD. Notice something interesting. EC is 5, and ED is also 5. So this is an isosceles triangle. Its base, CD, is 2. Let's drop an altitude from E to the base CD. Call the foot of that altitude N. In an isosceles triangle, the altitude also bisects the base. So CN and ND are each 1 unit. Let's call the height EN H. Now look at right triangle END. Its hypotenuse is 5. One leg is 1, and the other leg is H. Apply the Pythagorean theorem. H squared plus 1 squared equals 5 squared. So H squared plus 1 equals 25. Subtract 1 from both sides, H squared equals 24. Taking the square root, H equals the square root of 24. And that simplifies to 2 square root of 6. Now we're ready for the final step. We'll find the area of each piece and add them together. The total area equals the area of rectangle ABME plus the area of triangle EMC plus the area of triangle ECD. First, the rectangle. Its base is 2 and its height is 4. So its area is 2 times 4, which equals 8. Next, triangle EMC. Its base is 3, its height is 4. So its area is 1/2 times 3 times 4, which equals 6. Finally, triangle ECD. Its base is 2, and its height is 2 square root of 6. Its area is 1/2 times 2 times 2 square root of 6, which simplifies to 2 square root of 6. Now add everything together. 8 plus 6 plus 2 square root of 6. That gives us the exact area. 14 plus 2 square root of 6. And that's our final answer. If you solved it before the end, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.